Now, to be totally honest with you, on my last World's title match, you know who I want to face? I want to face Young Jeezy. Because he held me back for so many years. And now that I'm better than ever after the car accident, the reincarnation, I think it's only right to hit you with it. Black Nature Boy. I'm having a hard time holding my rhymes down. I'm having a hard time holding my rhymes down. Drake wanna battle me? I say right now. We can do this, I wear the damn crown. Belts over my head. You play with me, you'll end up dead. My buddy named Fred Krueger, the doll. All he like to do is ball. You see me in the ring with my bling bling ready to do my thing. Hold on, let's listen to this guy's song. You think he wrong? I think he look alright. He's a nature boy, ready for a real fight. But you wasn't ready for a fight. I took your ass out the same night. You can't beat me, Drake, thinking you a sex god. Well, that's what I hate. I think you fake, along with your God. I'm a Pharisee, remember my God, or tear your God apart. You only praise idols, or maybe clones like Rick Ross, yo. But the Pharisee don't praise nobody. I praise myself inside the party. I'm praising the G.O.D. cause he made me the Black Nature Boy, see? And I move real slick. Got all these girls on my dick. See how we move smooth. You cross me, that's the wrong move. I beat your ass, dude. I'm the Black Nature Boy. Got girls ready to jump in my truck, cause they know this boy make noise. Every time I get in the kitty cat, it come out with money, boys. Come out with money when I get in the kitty cats. And after I get out the kitty cat, they in my ear saying they love me like that. I'm telling them like this, I can be anything you want me to be, but I'm a champ. Prepare to get the stamp. What's that? That's the dick when I put it on you like that. I'm doing it real good. Yeah, chick, I'm from the hood where we not go wood, where we always hustle real good. We don't